Now we want to talk about undo and redo and paste options in Excel. So don't think that there's nothing special concerning undo and redo and paste option. And we are talking of undo and redo. Like, let's say I want to make some changes, some corrections here now. Let's say for 23. Then we'll go to under cell. Now I realize, now after effecting the changes, I realize that I have made mistake. What should I do? What I need to do is to come to the just be following my cursor to come to this side, to this arrow. Undo typing is just to undo the first one. You can see it has undo the first one, undo the second one again, undo the third one again, undo the last one again, and go back. So that is how to undo. Then when we are talking of to redo, okay, so that it's going to clear, let me use this one. Let me say, you know that we have 0 0 here. Let me type this number, now this, now this, just now this. Now I now after effecting the changes I realize that I've made a mistake. What should I do? Is now to undo. Just come to this arrow, click on it, click on it, click on it, click on it, click on it. As you can see, I've effected the changes back. It has undo everything. Now you now discover that maybe you discover, okay, the changes you made before is the correct one. You can also redo. Then it will take it back by clicking on this arrow, redo, 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 redo. Then it's going to redo everything for you. So that is, and the shortcut, I'm coming. The shortcut for undo is Ctrl Z, while the shortcut for redo is Ctrl what? Ctrl Y. So the shortcut for undo is Ctrl Z, while the shortcut for redo is Ctrl Y. Now let us talk about pasting option or pasting options on Excel. Pasting what? Options on Excel. Pasting options on Excel. I'm coming. Now pasting option on Excel. Let us copy this. I'm coming. Now I have copied this. Now come here, click your copy it now to another sheet, paste it there. As you can see, it is giving us wrong entry. When you look at the formula bar here, it's giving us the form the formula for, so, and this is not what we want. Is equal to sum bracket open hash ref, just what we don't want, giving us wrong something. So what are we going to do? You cannot just think that you can copy the way you are copying something on Microsoft Word. This is Excel. So what are you going to do? Let us go back